O again, sister, kapag bet nyo sa akin, so, hindi ipit sa palda yung 34. Sisi, check ko lang ha. Later, si Bel, check natin kung gano'n siya nababanat. Kung saktong 34 lang siya, ganun, or meron pa siyang allowance kapag 34 ka. Okay? Mga sisi, kapag bet nyo sa suot ko, 1571. Tama ba? 1571. Mine space 1571 red. Mine space 1571 tan. Mine space 1571 choco. Sissy Bells. Mine space 1571 pink. Mine space 1571 Sissy Bells Emerald. Mine space 1571 beige. Mine space 1571 white. Hi, this is Cindy. Hello, sis. Sis, how are you today? Sissy Bells, Sissy 1571. Okay, ito yung color red. Sissy Bells, kapag bet nyo, type kayo ng code 1571. To finish order, have terno pants. Sissy Bells, I have no terno pants for this time, but I have sale items for the terno pants tomorrow. But new arrivals, I have no new arrivals for the terno pants, but I have sale tomorrow for the terno pants. Sissy Bells. For now, Sissy, I have dresses and I have skirt. I have also blouse, Sissy Bells, something like that. For the terno pants, Sissy, I have no terno pants for the new arrivals, but I have a sale tomorrow, Sissy. Okay, ito Sissy yung color red. Okay, hi, so much yung dress. Sissy, yung dress ko, 699. Okay, ito naman Sissy, next natin. Sissy, ano lang to ha, sister, naka-ano lang to, lukot-lukot lang to. But sister, very nice to. Kasi hindi ko talaga siya na-plansya all items ko. Kasi nga, napaka-busy ko, sis. Hindi ko na alam kung pwede lang hatiin yung katawan ko, sis. How much yung moss green dress? Sissy, 699. 699. Sissy, yung dress